Maintaining a clean and organized living space is often viewed as a mundane chore, but its impact on our physical and mental well-being should not be underestimated. A clean house goes beyond just aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in promoting a healthy and happy lifestyle. In this video, we will explore the reasons why keeping a clean house is essential for your overall well-being. Why keep a clean house? Let's explore that topic now. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find more free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the Printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today, I'll cover a few answers to the question, why keep a clean house? You can get your printable daily housekeeping routine and cleaning checklists here. This 15-page printable kit is delivered digitally to your email for you to print and personalize. It includes a daily schedule, calendar pages, and deep cleaning checklists for every room and area of your home. I'll link this below in the video description. Now let's look at some answers to the question, why keep a clean house? Reduce stress and anxiety. A cluttered and messy environment can contribute to increased stress and anxiety levels. The visual chaos can overwhelm the mind, making it challenging to focus and relax. On the other hand, a clean and organized space provides a sense of order and tranquility, helping to alleviate stress and promote mental well-being. 2. Enhanced productivity. A tidy environment has a direct impact on your ability to stay focused and productive. When everything is in its designated place, you spend less time searching for items and can devote more energy to tasks that require your attention. A clutter-free space fosters a conducive atmosphere for creativity and productivity. 3. Improved physical health. Dust, allergens, and germs tend to accumulate in unkempt spaces, posing potential health risks. Regular cleaning helps eliminate these contaminants, creating a healthier living environment. Reduced exposure to allergens and pathogens can contribute to improved respiratory health and overall well-being. 4. Boosted mental clarity. A clean and organized space can positively influence cognitive functions. Clutter-free surroundings promote mental clarity, making it easier to make decisions and solve problems. This mental order can have a cascading effect on various aspects of your life, fostering a more balanced and focused mindset. 5. Positive impact on relationships. The state of your living space can significantly impact your relationships, whether with family, friends, or romantic partners. A clean and inviting home provides a welcoming atmosphere for social interactions, fostering positive connections. On the other hand, a messy environment may lead to tension and stress in relationships. 6. Sense of accomplishment. Completing household chores and maintaining cleanliness can provide a sense of accomplishment. This feeling of achievement, no matter how small, can boost your mood and motivation. The act of taking care of your living space instills a sense of responsibility and self-worth. 7. Encourages healthy habits. Keeping a clean house often involves regular cleaning routines and organization. These habits can extend beyond your living space and influence other aspects of your life. Establishing a routine for household chores can spill over into creating routines for self-care and other positive habits. Which part of the house should be cleaned first? When it comes to cleaning your home, starting with the right area can set the tone for an efficient and effective cleaning session. While individual preferences and specific situations may vary, a commonly recommended approach is to begin cleaning from the top down and from the back to the front of the house. I also like to spray down sinks, tubs, and bathroom surfaces to let the product soak while I clean elsewhere. Here's a suggested order for cleaning different areas of your home. Ceilings and walls. Start by dusting or vacuuming ceiling corners and edges to remove cobwebs. Wipe down walls and baseboards, paying attention to areas prone to fingerprints or stains. Light fixtures and ceiling fans. Clean light fixtures and ceiling fans to prevent dust from settling on freshly cleaned surfaces. Windows and window treatments. Clean windows, blinds, and curtains. This ensures that any dust or debris that falls during the process doesn't settle on already cleaned surfaces. Furniture and upholstery. Dust and polish furniture. If necessary, clean upholstery and vacuum under cushions. Shelves and surfaces. Clean and dust shelves, countertops, and other flat surfaces. Take this opportunity to declutter and organize items. Flooring. Vacuum or sweep the floors. Follow up with mopping or carpet cleaning as needed. Kitchen. Focus on cleaning kitchen surfaces, appliances, and the sink. Wipe down cabinets and organize pantry items. Bathroom. Clean bathroom surfaces, including countertops, mirrors, and shower tub. Disinfect surfaces and replace towels. Bedrooms. Change bed linens, dust surfaces, and vacuum carpets or clean floors. Don't forget to tidy up and organize personal items. Entrance and exit areas. Clean the entryway and exit areas, including doormats. This ensures that dirt and debris are not tracked back into the freshly cleaned house. By following this top-down, back-to-front approach, you minimize the chances of having to re-clean areas due to dust or debris falling from higher surfaces. Additionally, this systematic method allows you to maintain a sense of order and progression throughout the cleaning process. In conclusion, maintaining a clean house is not just about aesthetics. It is a fundamental aspect of promoting overall well-being. From reducing stress and anxiety to fostering positive relationships and encouraging healthy habits, the benefits of a clean living space are extensive. So, the next time you reach for that mop or dustpan, remember that you are not just cleaning your house, you are investing in your physical and mental health. Need to declutter? I have a year-long declutter series you can join. We declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. By the end of the series, you will have decluttered every space in your home. I will link the declutter series information below. Need to get organized? I can help. Head over to dmiddleton.com to get my free organization printables. Just look at the printables category in the drop-down menu. I also have an ebook on creating a housekeeping schedule. I will link that in this video description below. Thanks for watching.